It's me, Luis. Today we have one it's in a Corvette. We're working on a windshield. Remember this one, we have to just strip a couple of parts, the bottom molding, wipers, side moldings, careful with the second layer, the seal pumps, moldings, and also we're gonna inspect the car. Everything looks clean except for those scratches right here and right here. Okay, so everything looks normal. The only issues I found, these ones all the time happening, is when the mirrors, they are loose. Okay, that's because remember the little pins, they bend it. If you want to fix it, you can do it, or you can replace it. What I do in the past is take the little pins, hit them up, and just make it straight, put it back in. But I don't want to touch it like that because sometimes it doesn't work. It's gonna make, maybe it's gonna be worse than this, so better than leave it like that. But you gotta just check it out and say, you see the loose, because this one has to be not like that. Okay, remember, it's not a big deal. Right here, remove the interior or the hardware. So let's go. I'm gonna work with let's see, I got my umbrella here for the class because it's gonna be a hot day. So remember this one, I recommend that you use any system you want. You can even use zip knives or core system, whatever you want to use is fine. So let's gonna start working. Couple of tools, not much. It's kind of hot today. All right, let's do it. It's gonna be fast, okay, and easy. I hope my video Vdkar is enough. So remember, we're gonna remove this guy. A little loose in this one already. Really easy, guys. Okay, take the hoses right there. Move this guy a little bit. All right, so we got this one out. Now we're gonna lose this guy. The angle. Remember, different screws, okay? Here's the first two. I like more this one than the old school, because the old school I don't like too much. Alright, that's all. Now remember, this one has retainers in this corner. They go in and slide. Today this car is really hot. You see, they got one here. So these guys, because sometimes I found this Corvette, they're broken because the people sometimes pull it out. Okay, just right there. And that's all for the cow. Man, every part on this car is hot. Got a hot day today. Alright. Even the nitro, they're really hot. And I choose the wrong color today, all black. There you go. We're gonna put this one under here. Let's gonna take these little clips and take a little part here. There you go. Sometimes got a beetle, and what I don't want to do is just mess the beetle everywhere because it's really hot. Take a little bit, slowly. That's all. Not much, because some people rip that molding over there. There's the impact. There's just one here. I got a little right there, my little magnet plate. The only problem to use a nitro is kind of difficult to hold it. Screws. And my last T and one more in the bottom, okay? And that's Phillips. Okay, one there. Alright, and we get this mold in and go down a little bit because you got a hook right there. Just don't scratch anything. And that's all. This one is kind of older, so but you can put it back on. It's not a big deal. It's just the heat and you know. There you go. So a little bit of beetle. And the last one. There you go. Okay, and I'm gonna come down slowly. Gotta get more room down there, and that's all. Okay, and the cell foam is intact, no damage. Because if you damage, you gotta get a new one, but new molding with everything together. Okay. So that part is ready. The mirror, you know, easy. It's just the turn 360, but it's losing. Because remember, if we want to fix that, we have to just take this teeth out. And you see this bended, you gotta just put on straight. And that fixes the problem, but I don't want to mess with this one. Okay, and close this guy, and that's all. Now let's go and do the job. Now sometimes the people, when they use a zip knife, I saw problems on this bed because they cut most of the time the interior with the blades, especially when they use the long one. But that's the pain of the glassman sometimes. So what I'm doing here, I'm gonna make this one fast. Okay. Okay. I don't know how the people in Arizona are now, but I think they're more hot than Texas now. I mean, in Dallas. Okay. So make sure you don't catch anything, okay? Because you're gonna cut it. Okay, so it's perfect here, under, everything is good. Now let's be a little bit. I have to just attend one call, so let me make an extra protection on the dashboard, always protecting. And remember, we're gonna start working. I got my G100 if in case I have to clean the glass. Sometimes happens because the glass has little grease or something. So I'm gonna anchor now. And just gonna make this cut, okay? In the middle, always a little bit more glue. Okay. Now because I don't have too much room, so it's better just change the angle a little bit. I got the attachment here, so I'm gonna just like that right there. All right, let me get this guy here. Oh, I'm just gonna put this a little bit. There you go. I'm open more a little bit, but it's not a big deal. Gravity stop. I'm gonna pass the attachment a little bit, and right there, okay? Now let me move the other side, and we finished. Remember, you can keep the angle. Let's turn it slowly. I go really slow on this corner because sometimes the line can chip or break the glass, and the line will be eventually break. Now the second line is going to start retracting. Gravity stops. There you go. Now I'm going to change my angle, okay? And we finished. Now you want to work with this angle. It's kind of hard, so I'm going to use just to see which one is good. And that's all. Okay guys, so I'm going to cut the video and see you in the next shot. We finished. Okay guys, I want to show you something. Remember what I told you about the people use the zip knife? Well, as you see, this glue is not the factory, so the glass is factory but has been replaced already. You can see a lot of issues with the glue. No issues, but you see, this is not the factory glue. Okay, definitely not. You can see all these don't make them by the dealers, but you see, even it's far away from this corner, but it's fine. But you see, they never use that much glue on these corners. Okay, and they're always straight. Now the second part I found, remember what I told you about the people use the zip knife? Oh, something placed from inside. Check it out. You see this line? You don't see it, but if I pull it up, you see that? And it has a glue. So I leave it like that, and the same way it was before. But you see, that's what I say. This is a pretty clean straight cut with the blade. You can see the line, they're really thin here, and they cut deep all the way here. So this is my camera just to prove the customers we didn't do the damage. Because when I use the cord, you see, I pass everywhere around, and I didn't make any problem or any cut. You see, this is the sticker. Don't worry, it's there. But you see, I passed from here and was completely clean. So that wasn't me. Okay, that was a blade. Okay, guys. So, but you don't see it because it's under, exactly by the freight. Alright guys, so I'm gonna just preparing my glass and see you next shot because it's hot. I put my gloves out for a little bit, let it dry, because you see my skin is completely peel it out. Okay guys, see you next shot. Okay, thank you. Okay guys, so we're ready. We're gonna put the glue on. Alright, let me get it. Oh, it's hot. We're gonna use a press steady. Remember, 30 minutes to move, 1 hour to go. Alright, put this guy right here. Alright, let's go. So remember, I'm gonna go a little higher on the bottom, not much on the top and the sides, especially on the sides, okay? Because if not, it's gonna be too much glue. I'm pushing down. We need to make alignment with the top, with the molding, okay? So let's gonna start working here. But I don't want to leave any gap on the bottom. Problem with the cutting gun was pop on the bottom. So on the sides, I'm gonna go just a normal beat. The top, a little more lower. Behind that guy. I'm not going to use the anchor on the top because remember, the top is really soft. I don't want to make any problems. just right there. Okay. There's a big number there. On one time, right there. Okay. The big number right. This one is alignment. And we finished. Okay guys, thank you so much. So we gotta do is just put all the parts together, and as you see, the quick set don't make any problem with the hood. It's just a ring, but it's no banded, it's no scratches, nothing, so it's completely clear. And we finished guys. Okay, so just put the parts together and we finished. Okay, thank you so much for watching today. This was Luis from Vdkar Auto Parts Replacement in Urban, and see you in the next shop. Thank you.